Welcome back to the Logic Unlock, friends. In this video, we are discussing the problem on the strings, which is mainly provided by the Coding Ninja's guided path. In this section, we will be dealing with all the basics question of the string, that is of the first section. So I'm going to explain you all these string problems. So without any further delay, let's proceed. So let's read the problem. The problem says you are given a string and we have to convert the first alphabet of each word in the string to the uppercase. Right? For example, I am a student of the third year. The first word is I, which is itself a capital letter, so we don't need to convert it into the capital one. My second word is M, and I need to convert the A of this M to the capital A as it is shown here. Similar, my third word is A, and we need to convert it into the A, capital A. So in this way, each and every first letter of word we need to convert it into the capital one. They are also given that the string will contain only space as well as both uppercase as well as lowercase characters. So they are the only three things present inside the string. So without any further delay, let's check on the solution. Okay, this is the solutions we are going to talk. So first of all, I'm iterating the whole string using this for loop. This str.size mainly shows what is the size of your string. For example, I love programming. What is the total size of the string is been calculated by using this function. First of all, I'm using this if function. It checks if my I is equal to 0, it means I'm at the beginning of the word, and that letter or that word's first letter is in between the small alphabet. For example, small a to the small z. If it is there in between these two, what we need to do is we need to convert it into the capital letter. For example, suppose my first letter is small a. So what will happen? My string contains small a minus this a plus this capital A. So ultimately I am getting the capital A. So I am simply getting cut this and capital A is getting stored inside the string. But before I store, I am converted into the character, because whenever the subtractions or addition takes place, it takes place between the integers, and that integers we need to convert it into the character. The ASCII code of that integer is treated as a character and stored inside the string. So if you take example of this I love programming, initially I am at I am checking I is equal to 0. Yes, it is I equal to 0. I am checking if string of I is in between small a to the small z. Is it there? No, because I itself is a capital letter. So this condition is been skipped and we are moving forward. Now I am standing at over here. This is blank space. So I am checking if str of a is equal to double quote, which has just space in between, which mainly says that it contains a blank space. Yes, it contains a blank space. Then I need to check the letter which is just forward, just front of that blank space. Is it between the small a to the capital small z? Yes, if I am standing over here blank space, I need to check the letter just after this blank space, that is L. Does this L lie between the small a and small z? If it is yes, the small L lies between the small a and small z. So what we need to do is again we need to convert it into the capital letter. So I am simply L minus a plus capital A. So what is happening? The ASCII value of these two is getting subtracted, plus it is get added in the ASCII value of this A. So ultimately we get a one integer. This integer is converted into character. So we get ASCII code of that character and it is stored inside the I plus 1. Right now we are here in the blank space, but I am just storing the converted capital letter in I plus 1. It means I am storing this converted capital over here. This not over here, right? So this condition has been dealt. Now I am getting I plus plus. Now I am starting at I. Is it I is equal to 0? No, this condition is not get satisfied. I think is str of I is equal to blank space? No, I have the L. In this way, the whole world will get skipped. Now again I come over inside the blank space. Now these conditions will play the role now. Str of I is equal to blank space. Yes, it is a blank space. Again I am checking the letter after the blank space. Is it in between the small a and small z? Yes, small p is between the small a and small z. So again I'm going to convert it into the capital A. So in this way, this is a small solutions which take the total time complexity of big of n, because I'm simply traversing the whole string, nothing extra I'm doing here. So I hope so you understand the solution. If you love this video, then subscribe the channel for all the guided path of the Coding Ninja solutions. Till then, have a happy coding.